As inventor Henry Detweiler sets out across the sunlit lake this morning, he can't help but feel the excitement and anticipation of another day of testing his wonderful invention. Walkin Gander version 3 has been 3 years in the making. The Walkin Gander is a unique, one-of-a-kind way to navigate to your favorite fishing spot or destination. Simple in design, but effective in the way that it propels your boat. As a regular working man, Detweiler's goal is striving to keep his product as affordable as possible, and believes that his invention will be used in many different applications.
You throw the motor like that one?
Walked right through there. It did. What do you think about this thing?
Well, I've driven a lot of boats. I used to be a riverboat guide in Alaska, and I've driven inboards and outboards and jet units and props. And these are my kayaks right here.
Ah, okay.
I've never seen anything like that. Looks like it's pretty gentle on the environment.
Please let us know your thoughts as you see the Walkin Gander in action.